Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture for class 8 Geography. Chapter's name is Agriculture. Students, today we will study about major crops. We will study in this topic which crop require which type of climate, amount of rainfall they require, in which type of soil they grow well. Student, we will study about food crop, fiber crop and beverage crop. In food crop, we will study about rice, wheat, millet, maize. And under fiber crop, we will study about cotton and jute. And under beverage crop, we will study about coffee and tea. Students, do you know who discovered coffee? How coffee was discovered? Students, in Saudi Arabia, herders were herding their goats, and one goat ate up some seeds of coffee. And what herder noticed, that goat continuously jumping, means he noticed that some extra energy is in that goat. And when he used that coffee seed, he also felt fresh. After this incident, coffee was discovered. Same thing happened in case of tea. This was discovered in China. A king ordered a jug of water to his servant. His servant brought a jug of water and kept on the table. King forgot to drink that, and some tea leaves fell into that jug. When king came to drink, he noticed color of water, but he drank. And when he drank, he felt very fresh and energyful, full of energy. After this incident, tea was discovered. Student, let us move to the topic of food crop. Student, food crop, fiber crop or beverage crop, all these are required to fulfill the requirement of ever increasing population. We all depend on agriculture to fill our stomach. Means agriculture fulfill our dietary requirement. Students, under food crop, we will study first about rice. Rice is a staple food of tropical and subtropical areas. It required high amount of rainfall and hot and humid temperature. Rice is grown well in alluvial and clay soil because these soil retain water. And rice require plenty of water to grow. China is leading producer of rice in the world. After China, India, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Japan, these are the countries which grow rice. After rice, we will study about wheat. Wheat require moderate temperature while it was being sown. And during harvesting, it requires high temperature. USA, Ukraine, Argentina, Russia, Canada, these are the countries which grow wheat in large amount. India also grow wheat. State of Punjab especially grow wheat in large amount. Next is millet. This is also called coarse crop. This can be grown on sandy soil, unfertile soil. This do not require heavy rainfall. It required moderate temperature. Nigeria, India, China grow millet. In India, jowar, bajra and ragi are grown. Next is maize. Maize also require moderate temperature and moderate rainfall. It requires bright sunshine. There are so many colors of maize. Leading producer of maize are USA, Russia, now we will study about fiber crop, and that is cotton. Cotton require 210 frost-free days. It required bright sunshine and not heavy rainfall. It required light rainfall. And leading producer of cotton is USA, Brazil, Egypt, India also. Next is jute. Jute require hot and wet climate. This also require heavy rainfall. Bangladesh and India are leading producer of jute. This is also called golden fiber. Now come to the beverage crop, coffee. Leading producer of coffee is Brazil. This requires slope topography. And plenty of rainfall. Hot climate. And now lastly come to the tea. This also requires slope areas, cool temperature and rainfall throughout the years. In India, in Assam, Darjeeling, tea is grown very well. That's all. Students, tomorrow we will study comparison of farming. We will compare farming in India with farming in USA. That's all. Stay at home to fight with Corona.